Understanding non-dilutive funding, a guide for entrepreneurs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English and business concepts easy and fun. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that's crucial for entrepreneurs and startups: non-dilutive funding. If you're curious about what it is and how it can benefit your business, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Non-dilutive funding refers to any form of financing that does not require you to give up ownership in your company. Unlike traditional equity financing, where you exchange a portion of your company's shares for capital, non-dilutive funding allows you to secure the necessary funds without diluting your ownership stake. This can include grants, loans, and tax credits, among other financial instruments. For many entrepreneurs, maintaining control over their company is paramount. Non-dilutive funding is particularly attractive because it enables you to grow your business without compromising on ownership. It's an excellent way to finance your operations, research and development, or expansion plans without giving away a piece of your hard-earned business. Let's explore some of the most common sources of non-dilutive funding. Grants. Money given by governments, foundations, or corporations, usually for specific projects or research and development efforts. Loans. Borrowed money that needs to be repaid with interest. However, it doesn't require selling company shares. Tax credits. Reductions in the taxes your company owes, often provided as incentives for certain activities like innovation or hiring. Understanding these sources can help you identify the best non-dilutive funding opportunities for your business. Securing non-dilutive funding requires preparation and strategy. Here are some steps to increase your chances. 1. Identify the right opportunity. Research and find the funding options that align with your business goals and projects. 2. Prepare a strong application. Highlight your business's strengths, how you plan to use the funds, and the impact it will have. 3. Understand the requirements. Each funding source has its own eligibility criteria and application process. Make sure you comply with these requirements. We hope this video has shed some light on non-dilutive funding and how it can be a game changer for your business. Remember, securing this type of funding allows you to grow while retaining full ownership of your company. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. Here's to your business success.